What's the meaning of bigamy? Bigamy. Bigamy.
Bigamy. Bigamy. Bigamy is the act of marrying someone while still being legally married to someone else. It is considered a form of polygamy, which is the practice of having multiple spouses. In many countries, including the United States, bigamy is a criminal offense punishable by law. This is due to the fact that it violates the legal and social norms of monogamous relationships, and can cause emotional harm to both the first and second spouse involved. Bigamy is often associated with fraudulent behavior, deception, and disregard for the values of trust and fidelity that are expected in a committed relationship.